Andy, I hear Parquetry's making a resurgence.
That's right, Tom, it
Tell
is,
us,
yes.
what is Parquetry?
Parquetry goes back a long, long way, but it's making a resurgence, as you just said, because people are interested in the concept of the patterns, and people always ask, I want herringbone, or I want certain types of parquetry, and there are different styles. This is herringbone here, which means we've got a 90-degree angle, as against chevron, which is actually laid at 45 degrees, and you can see the slight difference there. So these are available now solid, or even engineered format. So it means, again, the concept of the movement that we have in Queensland with our high humidity is a big problem. So Parquetry is good for that because we are changing direction with wood only expanding one direction, not both directions.
Yes.
So much more stable. But solid or engineered now available in different patterns, can be even in basket weave or old traditional styles, and it can be laid initially and then polished afterwards, after install, or it can become pre-finished and then laid straight down and glued and job done. What you can't do with parquetry is float it.
Right, okay.
You can't have a floating parquetry floor because the pieces are individually made and they need to locate together with a joint.
So if you're considering a new floor for your home, whether it's Parquetry, solid or engineered, come down to the Build and Design Centre, make a selection for your home today.
Look forward to seeing you.